In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently close your Bigin CRM account. If you've decided that Bigin CRM no longer suits your needs or you're transitioning to a different CRM platform, I'm here to walk you through the process to ensure that it's done correctly and securely. First, you'll need to sign into your Bigin account. It's crucial that you do this as the super admin because only the super admin has the necessary permissions to delete the account. Once you're logged in, keep an eye out for the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. You'll find this typically at the top right corner of your dashboard. Clicking on this icon will take you to the settings menu where you can oversee many of the system's configurations. Once you're in the settings, look for the section labeled Organization. It's here where you'll find the option to delete your Bigin account. Selecting this option will bring you one step closer to completing the closure process. As you proceed with deleting your account, Bigin will present you with a warning message. This message is there to ensure that you fully understand the implications of your action. It is very important that you read this message carefully. Closing your account is a permanent action, and you need to be certain about proceeding since all your data within Bigin will be lost forever. Double check to make sure that you've backed up any important information or data you might need in the future, as once the deletion is complete, retrieval will not be possible. After you've read through the warning and you're sure of your decision, you'll be asked to confirm the deletion. Confirming this action is the point of no return, so take one last moment to ensure this is what you intend to do. Once confirmed, Bigin will log you out of the system. This action also automatically triggers a confirmation email to be sent to the email address linked with your Bigin account. Make sure to check your inbox to verify that you've received this email, as it will serve as a record of your account closure. And there you have it. By following these steps, your Bigin data will be permanently deleted and your account closed. Remember, this is a significant action, so ensure that this is your desire. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in ensuring a smooth closure of your Bigin CRM account.